friends, today we are going to learn about Gandhiji. On 2nd October, we celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We observe it as a national holiday in India and International Day of Non-Violence worldwide. He is lovingly called Bapu, or the father of our nation. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in the year 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi and his mother was Putlibai Gandhi. At the tender age of 13, he married Kasturba Gandhi. As a young person, he was very good at studies. He traveled to England to pursue law and practiced it in South Africa for 20 years. Gandhiji faced discrimination because of his skin color and heritage. He was not allowed to sit with the European passengers or walk on the public footpath and was asked to remove his turban in Durban Court. He was beaten and thrown off the train for refusing to be discriminated. These incidents motivated him to campaign for equal rights and fight against mistreatment of Indians. In 1915, he returned to India and was introduced to Indian issues, politics, and its struggle for freedom, where he spent his remaining years of life towards its independence and as well as to better the lives of India's poorest classes. Gandhiji led major movements like Champaran movement in 1918 and Salt Act movement in 1930 and so on. He had a firm belief in and asked his followers to employ non-cooperation, non-violence and peaceful resistance. He lived modestly in self-sufficient residential community. Gandhi also made cleanliness and sanitation an integral part of the Gandhian way of living. He believed that cleanliness is most important for physical well-being and a healthy environment and should be maintained at home and in public places. He is an international symbol of peace and civil rights. This earned him the name of Mahatma. So kids, what can we learn from Bapu? See no evil. Hear no evil. Speak no evil. Truth is God. Kids, we should always be truthful to ourselves and others too. Eye for an eye leaves the whole world blind. Bapu taught us non-violence, ahimsa. Be the change you want to see in the world. Bapu always said there can be no change in the world if we are not ready to change ourselves. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Bapu vigorously supported cleanliness of both body and the soul. Education which does not mold character is absolutely worthless. He insisted teaching children should focus on all round education and personal growth. Thank you.